Most athletes are pretty familiar with stretching and strength training through lifting, but there's an important piece here that most are also missing, which is strength training our weakest ranges of motion. And I'm going to show you how to find those. So let's use the knee for example. Our end ranges tend to be weakest. We tend not to train them, but it doesn't mean we won't end up there. So for my knee, and you can follow along if you'd like, if I stand tall, I kind of tuck my pelvis so nothing else is moving. I just bend the knee, pull the heel as much as I can toward the butt, and I slowly let go. So this is my end range, right? I slowly let go, I lose some of that range, I can get to here, right? There's a gap there, and there's always going to be some gap, but if it's a larger gap, that indicates that we really need to strengthen this and build more control. So this is a simple way to identify some of our weaker areas and also improve joint health. Just the act of doing this can improve some of your strength and control, and then you can do things like isometrics in this position, pushing down or pulling up or doing an assisted pull. So I'm going to try to pull toward my butt, use a little bit of help from my hands, but really make those hamstrings work. Really excellent. I'm going to show you another quick example for the shoulder. So you can pull into shoulder adduction here as much as I can, right? That's as far as I'll go. If I try to let go and hold, I'm going to lose a little bit of that range. I don't lose a whole lot, but what happens if I make the strength requirement a little bigger by adding gravity? Okay, so I'm going here. Suddenly, when I let go, I lose a little bit more. It makes these tissues work really, really hard. So just a couple examples using what's called passive range holds to identify some weaker areas, train them up to improve joint health and our resilience.